Cruise in risky business. Just an Oxford shirt, preferably pink, but any color will do. Men's white socks, shades, and anyone can be Tom Cruise in risky business. Probably best to wear shorts underneath though. Georgie From It. You'll need a red balloon, yellow raincoat, and rain boots to be Georgie from Stephen King's It, but stay away from storm drains. Amazon boxes. Surely you have some Amazon packaging to recycle, as the monster does. Nail polish. You can be nail polished even without wearing nail polish, as long as you have glitter, white paper, and white fabric paint. Pantone Colors. Go for the Pantene Rainbow Group look. Snakes on a plane. A former Redditor needed only poster board and string markers, and some rubber snakes, or maybe those are made out of frosting. Ace Ventura. Reddit user Mayo on my Apple recommends a pink tutu, a Hawaiian shirt, a ton of hairspray, and a couple test runs to hit this Ace Ventura pose. You'll win Halloween for sure. Google Maps. Some duct tape, construction paper, and a printer so you can print out the street names are all you need to create this Google Map costume idea from Redditor u/Narciso.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.